everyone, I'm Aunty Em, and are you ready to spell in nature?
Are you ready to laugh and play, learn new things every day? Let Aunty Em show you the way.
Today, we're going to learn how to spell through nature by finding items and spelling the entire alphabet together. Do you want to try? We're looking for A. Where's an A? I found an ant. Ant starts with A. A-N-T. Look. Look, a bee. Bee starts with B. B-E-E. Look how cute he is. Caterpillar starts with C. Do you know how to spell caterpillar? It's C-A-T-E-R-P-I-L-L-A-R. Look over there. There's ducks. Ducks start with D. D-U-C-K. Duck. I don't think I can find anything that starts with E. Can you guys see anything? Oh, that's okay. Time's running out. We have to go. What's our next letter? E, F. Okay, let's keep looking. Look what I found. I see a flower. Flower starts with F. F-L-O-W-E-R. Flower. Look, do you see? I see the letter G. It's a grasshopper. Grasshopper starts with G. G-R-A-S-S-H-O-P-P-E-R. Grasshopper. Look, the letter H.
H is for hummingbird. H-U-M-M-I-N-G-B-I-R-D.
Look, the letter I.
I is for insect. I-N-S-C-T. Insect.
Look, come over here. Letter J.
J is for blue jay, but you can just call him Jay. That's J-A-Y.
Look, I found the letter K.
This one's fun. It's called the kinnikinick bush. K-I-N-N-I-K-I-N-N-I-C-K.
There's the letter L. Ladybug. Ladybug starts with L. L-A-D-Y-B-U-G. Ladybug. Come over here. There's the letter M.
Mushroom is for M. M-U-S-H-R-O-O-M. Mushroom.
Look, a nest. Nest starts with N. N-E-S-T. Nest. Oh no, I don't think I can find the letter O. Can you? Look, there's a pine tree. Pine tree is for P. P-I-N-E-T-R-E-E. Pine tree. Oh no, I've looked everywhere and I can't find the letter Q. What in nature could start with Q? That's okay, time's running out. What's the next letter after Q? Q-R. Let's find an R. Let's go. Look at this rock. Rock starts with R. R-O-C-K. Rock. We found S. S. Oops. S is for spider. Look at him go. Spider starts with S. S-P-I-D-E-R. Spider. Look at how cute. He's making his little home in this big old tree. T is so easy. It's everywhere. We can see all of them. Trees is for T. T-R-E-E-S. Trees. Everyone, I looked everywhere for the letter U and I can't find it. What in nature could start with U? I can't find a B. Can you find the letter B in nature? Let me know. We only have a few seconds left, so let's see what we can find. What starts with W? Ah, I see one. Wasp. Wasp starts with W. W-A-S-P. Wasp. Oh no, we ran out of time. That's okay. That was still really fun. Do you know the whole alphabet? Let's say the whole alphabet together. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. That was so fun! Thank you so much for learning how to spell in nature with me. It's okay that we didn't find every letter. It was just fun playing. And thank you so much for joining me today. I always have so much fun with you. And if you had a good time too, let me know by pressing like, subscribe, or hit the bell. And if you saw something that I didn't, always put it in the comments because I love to learn with you. Okay, I'm Aunty Em. That's A-U-N-T-Y. Bye-bye.